Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezel, Breakthrough Real Estate, Property Management, and Handyman Services. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to tell a cool story about a house that basically fell into a lake. You don't want to miss it. Before we hop into today's story, please, right now, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It means the world to us. Seriously, go ahead right now and do it. Thank you so much. If you're an agent looking for a new brokerage, you seriously want to check out Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. We have the splits, we have the leads, we have the support, we have the, we have the training, we have everything you are looking for, plus more. We are exploding. 2022 is going to be the year of breakthrough. You don't want to miss it, so give us a call right now. Next, buyers, sellers, investors. If you're looking for the perfect property, our agents can help you. And if you're looking to sell your home, we're going to get you top dollar in this record market. As far as property management, investors, once you buy that perfect property, we will help you maximize it. We will help you run it. We will take care of it so you can sleep at night and not have to worry about your phone ringing. Isn't that wonderful? Last but not least, Handyman. Our company, I love our company. We started it because we got burned so many times. So if you need anything, it doesn't matter if you're a renter, homeowner, investor, you could be a property manager, anybody affiliated with any properties, chances are you could benefit from our services. We're reliable, we're affordable, we're prompt. Give us a call, we're happy to help. All right, now without further ado, let's jump right in. Back in about 2000, let's call it 2011 or so, I was helping a client look at homes in the Arrowhead area. And they were looking specifically for properties on the lake.
Hey, we're on top of Thunderbird Mountain, looking down at the Arrowhead Lakes area. This is in the Northwest Valley, in the Glendale area, right off the 101 freeway and 59th Avenue, 67th Avenue as well. And it is one of the nicest premier communities in all the valley, in my opinion. Between the lakes, the golf course, proximity to the freeways, the schools, shopping, close to recreation, lots of activities. I mean, it's just gorgeous. What's not to love about this area?
One day, a property came up and it seemed to be a wonderful value. And they wanted me to go out and check it out, and they wanted me to be out there fast because it appeared to be, again, a great value, right? So I get there, and I'm telling you, it's about 3,000 square feet, 3-car garage, nice sized lot, right on the lake, has a fireplace, appears to be in decent condition with what's there, right? So the curb appeal is just wonderful. I walk in, and it has that traditional floor plan. You have your living room right here on your right, which connects to your dining room. And then you have the wall that has the kitchen right on the other side, your informal dining, and then your family room. So I walk in and it looks nice. Just decent carpet, decent tile coming straight through. As I look off to where the dining room is, it's a nice sized area. You can fit a full size, I call it the Thanksgiving table. You can fit a full size entertaining table right there. So it's like perfect, 3,000 square foot, 1-story home, of course. So as I'm walking towards the wall, which has the kitchen on the other side, I start to see on the ground that there is a light source, let's call it that, reflecting onto the floor that's not normal. And I get up closer to it and I think, okay, that's definitely not a light. As I get about 10 feet away, I look up and I see the sky. There was a hole about 6 inches wide going straight down the middle of the house. It appeared, as I look down, I see that there's a gap about like that on the floor. Boom. And it just cut the house right in half. The back half of the house was going like this. obviously there's a foundation issue, right? So this is about 2011. At this point in time, this is the biggest foundation issue I had ever encountered. I head out to the back and I walk around to the side of the home, and yes, there's a crack going right down the middle of the home, east to west, and the back half of the home is basically sinking into the lake, is what it appears. I'm intrigued because this is not normal. So I call my clients, I let them know exactly what the situation is. At this point in time, they're kind of iffy because this needs a fair amount of work, but I'd never seen this before. So I went ahead and proceeded to get some more information on it. I do when I do the digging on the neighborhood, I find out that the original people that built the lake did not seal the lake properly. So for a nice period of time, the water was slowly seeping into people's backyards, which all line the lake, which, if not properly treated or taken care of, caused homes to fall back. The only homes that wouldn't actually have foundation issues would be a post-tension slab, which, give or take, a lot of these are custom homes. So this particular home was not a post-tension slab, and the water had caused it to basically cut in half and start sinking backwards. I call up the foundation, the largest foundation company in town. They give me a quote of about $75,000 to fix. I call up another company, wanted closer to $100,000. I call up the only other company that I could find that was able to take care of this, and they wanted about $80,000 as well. Call my clients back. Too much, too rich for their blood, which is completely understandable. But I found this completely fascinating. To this day, this is the home with the largest foundation issue I've come across. I wonder who ended up buying that home and what ended up happening. To this day, here we are approximately 10 years later, it would have been a fantastic investment. That home is probably worth close to $1 million today. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments below, share your stories. What was the largest foundation issue you've ever come across? Did your clients end up buying it? Did they actually get it taken care of? Please share your stories below. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our links. Check out our store. Please check out the Real Geeks link as well. It's a great CRM. And last but not least, thank you so much. Oh, by the way, look, I'm wearing our new clothes. So check out our store. Seriously, this is some of our new fashion wear. Oops, as I hit the thing. This is a plant coming out of the asphalt, and it says Breakthrough right on top. We got several different varieties. This is kind of like the more fashiony version. I like it. Plus it's got the green, so you gotta love it. So anyway, thank you for watching. I will talk to you later. As an agent or a team leader, if you're looking for the best real estate website, CRM, follow-up plan, advertisements, I mean, pretty much everything rolled into one, check out Real Geeks. It will take amazing care of you and your team. It will provide you the leads. It'll help you follow up with those leads. It'll help you convert those leads, and they are always improving. Seriously, check them out. There's a link below.